Do you have an old Dell Precision M4500 laptop? Have you just installed Windows 10 and found that your drivers are missing? No sound, no Wi-Fi, no display. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to install all the missing drivers, step by step. I have also created a special driver pack just for you. It's only 153 megabytes in size and very easy to use. If you need these drivers, you can download them easily from the Easy Drivers 21 blog. Just type your laptop model in the search box and click the search button. After clicking search, you will see the results. Click on Read More to open full details. You will see the operating system we used for testing and a full list of included drivers. Scroll down and you will find the download link. Click on the download link to download the zip file. Once downloaded, unzip the file. Before installing drivers, let's create a restore point. To create a restore point, search for Create Restore Point in the Start menu and click on it. In the System Properties window, click on Configure. Turn on System Protection and click OK. Now click on Create. Give it a name like Fresh Windows and click Create again. A restore point helps you recover your system if any driver causes a problem. Now open Device Manager from the Start menu. Here, we can check which drivers are missing. This is the Dell Precision M4500. Under Other Devices, you can see 2 drivers are missing. Also, the display adapter is not installed. Let's install the drivers. Right-click on the missing driver. Choose Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse again and select the folder where you extracted the driver files. Click OK. Then click Next. Windows will search and install the driver automatically. As you can see, the driver installed successfully. Now install the next missing driver in the same way. Click Next again. No need to select the folder again. The driver has been updated successfully. It's asking for a system restart, but we will restart after all drivers are installed. Now let's install the Display Adapter VGA driver. Right-click, Update Driver, Browse, and click Next. This one may take a little longer to install, so please wait. The display driver is very important for graphic designing, video editing, and gaming. Without it, apps like Photoshop, video editors, or games will not work properly. Finally, the graphics driver has been installed successfully. All drivers are now installed without errors. Now you can restart your system and enjoy full performance. If you liked the video, please click like. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And if you're new to the channel, Please subscribe to get future updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.